Hey everyone, can you help me with this safari animal puzzle? Along the way, I'll tell you some fun facts about the animals. It's a tiger. Does this go in here? No. In here? Not in there. Fun fact, tigers are really fast and can run up to 40 miles an hour. A giraffe. Now where could this go? I can see here. Did you know that giraffes are the tallest mammals in the world? It's a cheeky monkey. Where can this be? No, not on that one. Nope, not there. Aha! Monkeys have unique fingerprints, just like me and you. This can help them climb trees. A stripy zebra. Where can this go? Zebras are related to horses and donkeys, but are slower than horses. It's a colourful parrot. Where can this go? Aha! Parrots are very intelligent birds that can learn to copy human voices. A crocodile, chomp chomp. Where can this go? Not in there. Nope, not in that one. Crocodiles have been living on the earth since the time of the dinosaurs and are sometimes called living fossils. What's next? We have a purple hippo. Where can this go? Despite looking cute, hippos are one of the most dangerous mammals on earth due to their aggressive behaviour and long teeth. It's a blue elephant. Where can this go? Nope, not in there. So it must go in here. Did you know that an elephant's brain is up to 4 times larger than a human's? Wow! Final piece, we have a lion. Now I think I know where this goes. Amazingly, a lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. Wow, that's loud. Thank you so much for helping me out with the puzzle. I hope you had fun. See you next time.